Tell me if you want it, baby. 'Cause I know I could drive you crazy. I just wanted you to know now.
6 figures I was only 4. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another makeup tutorial because I don't know what else to do. So first thing is first, I'm going to brush out these curls. These are actually really cute the way they are, but it's kind of not what I'm going for today. Today I want to go for a very relaxed look. I've got like this nice sweater on and a pair of jeans, and we're just going for like effortless, relaxing kind of vibe today, even though we about to spend an hour on our makeup and hair. But ain't nobody gotta know that though. Be quiet. Why are you so loud? So I always just curl my hair in fairly tight, these aren't that tight, but whatever. I use my wand and I just curl them up like this, and then I take my comb, and it's always this comb because the little tongs are like so close together. I'm just brushing right through it. See the difference? Okay, so primer I'm using today is this one from Too Faced. It's the Hangover X Replenishing Face Primer. I really like this one lately. I don't usually use primers from American brands because all of them seem to be catered towards oily skin and like closing the pores, oil control, and all that stuff. And I'm like, I'm not trying to look like a bag of cornflakes. My face would just flake off. Too Faced is one of my favorite brands because all of their stuff is so like nourishing. This coconut primer is the best. Going for another matte look today because I don't know, something about the fall winter time, I'm like, I want to be mattified, something about it. I'm gonna use my NARS foundation, which I have like none left of. There's still tons left in the bottle, it's just getting it out of the pump is like impossible. So I'm just gonna slap some on my hand here. And I'm taking my MAC brush again, that's right. I've also found a new love for foundation brushes. What is happening? New season, new me. So I'm just gonna start literally painting my face. Like, who am I? What the heck? I love it. I'm like literally painting on my face. Very therapeutic. So at the time I'm filming this, guys, I currently have 95,000 subscribers, which is insane because I think the last time I filmed the video, which was about a week ago, I think I had maybe like 84, 83, somewhere in the early 80s, and now I'm at 95 and it's been 1 week. And I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos and sending me nice messages. I really appreciate all the kindness and support that is coming my way. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, that is where you can get in touch with me like the easiest. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you better go now, girl, okay? The Instagram is also where we have the most fun. It's where I do like all my fun Q&As, and I'm like the weirdest on Instagram. If you guys think I'm weird here, you ain't seen nothing yet, honey. This is my NARS concealer, by the way, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. If you guys aren't new to the channel, then this is nothing new. This is what I use every single day. I have gone through like at least 100 of those concealers. It's been a crazy week for me, guys. As you may or may not know, one of my videos went legit viral. If you guys don't know the story of this video, it's a very dramatic tale. But basically, I put up this video about 2 months ago. Pretty much right away, it started going viral. It got to about 580,000 views within a week, and then it was taken down due to a false copyright claim, which we're not gonna get into because... So for 3 weeks, it was taken down due to a false copyright claim. But basically I got my video back because it's my video. Once it went back up, it didn't really like no one was watching it once it went back up, and it made me really sad that like, you know, it could have been something huge. It felt like it was taken away from me. But 2 weeks after it was reposted, by some miracle of God, it started gaining traction again, and now it's at 1.1 million views. And more than likely, that's probably how you found me and how you're watching this video right now. Oh, the finish of this is so nice. I almost don't want to put powder on, but I must. I must. So I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder, girl. We putting on some Patrick Star level powder today, girl. So anyways, I started this year maybe around 40,000 subscribers, and my goal for the end of the year was to reach 100,000. And I mean, I didn't know how I was gonna do that. I didn't have any viral videos. I didn't have any viral video ideas. I just thought to myself, I want to reach 100,000 subscribers this year. This is my year. This is what I want to do this year. And girl, we did it. I mean, not quite yet, but even if I was to go back to how many subscribers I was gaining like on the regular before my video went viral, I would still make it to 100,000 by the end of the year. We are going to make it to 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So when I reach 100K, I have a giveaway plan. I already have a bunch of stuff that's like in a giveaway pile, but there's stuff that I want to specifically buy for the giveaway as well. I honestly thought I would have more time before I reached 100,000 subscribers, so I've kind of been like lollygagging on doing the giveaway, but now I gotta hurry my ass up cause y'all too fast. Okay, I'm taking my all-nighter spray so I can look good all night. Just kidding, I'm taking this makeup off as soon as I'm done filming. LOL. For eyes today, I'm gonna be taking this palette here. This is the Etude House Wine palette. And I'm gonna be taking this color here, which is like a shimmery brown. And I'm taking it on a flat brush. And basically, I'm lining my eyes with it. So I'm just starting right at the corner and the base of my lashes. Just making my way into the inner corner. Like if I wanna look sultry, I just line my eyes, girl. Look at the difference between this eye and this one. This one looks a lot more closed, and this one is like, hey there, eye. I'm gonna do the other side because I can't have one big eye and one tiny one. And then I'm gonna take another palette. This is my Heimish palette, and I'm gonna be taking this color up here, this kind of like bronzy shade, and I'm just gonna plop that onto the lid. And then I'm just blending that out with a brush. And going back in with the color from the Etude House palette, just going over it a little bit. I'm just gonna sharpen my Chestnut liner and use that on my eyes. Or watch super defined eyes today. Yes, honey, we look sultry today. Ooh. Alright, so now we're gonna curl our lashes. 6 figures I was only for. 6 figures I was only for. And I'm gonna use my Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This one is fresh. Listen guys, listen to it. ASMR. Wow, there's just mascara all over my face right now. 6 figures I was only for. Now I'm gonna lightly fill in my brows with my Brow Wiz from Anastasia. Lately I've been attempting to draw in straighter brows. Can you guys believe he made 6 figures when he was only 4? That's crazy. Okay, now it's time to highlight and contour with our NYX palette. So I'm gonna be taking the dark shade as usual. This is my MAC 140S brush. Trying to make my chin like kind of more pointy. And then I'm gonna take my Sigma E40 and start doing details. I'm gonna start under the lip, nose bridge, and like kind of the eye socket. So I'm even just like going in here. And tip when you're doing the nose is like go inward, like brush inward like this. If you go outward or just up and down, you run the risk of making your nose look wider. Sometimes I actually give good tips, okay? It's not all just about the laughs. Just doing under the eye a little bit. Does this make any difference? I don't know. Really don't know, but it makes me feel better. Bitch, I feel like I look like a model after I contour. Yes, bitch. Then I'm gonna take good old Lightscapade, which is becoming my favorite highlighter for some reason. It's literally white. Who would have thunk it? I'm gonna take a small brush and just put some of the highlighter in my inner corner. And I always blend my highlighter in with a beauty blender. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit of a pink blush to soften the look up. This is from an Anastasia palette. This is the Blush Trio in Berry Adore. I'm using the lightest color here called Desert. And very, very softly, just popping that on the cheeks a little bit. Very soft. So sharpening my chestnut liner again. I'm going to line my lips. I cannot draw a straight line to save my goddamn life. And then we're gonna take this lipstick from MAC. It's called Derriere. I love this lipstick. I got it like a year ago, but I almost never wear it. So I think I'm gonna be wearing this like all fall. It's such a pretty color, but it's like the exact same color as my skin tone. So I do have to use a liner with it, otherwise my lips get totally lost. If you have really light skin, the contrast of this on you, oh my god. I'm tempted to leave it just like this, but here's one last step. So I'm gonna put Peachy by Anastasia in the middle to add some dimension so it's not so flat, bitch. Oh my god. So I'm gonna spray my face one more time. Now, this is what we call casually slaying the game, honey. I'm so annoying. So this hat is already cutting off my brain circulation, like, oh my god. It's cute though. Anyways, guys, this is my casual fall look. I love how cozy this whole thing is, like this whole vibe. This look reminds me of like hot chocolate or something, like hot cocoa. It just makes me feel so warm inside. I love stuff like this. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of the love that you guys have given me lately. It has been absolutely wonderful and incredible. If you guys want to interact with me more, definitely follow me on my Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for 95,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye!
Tell me if you want it, baby. 'Cause I know I could drive you crazy.